Chiba, Japan, July 22, 2025 Tuesday. The Japan Meteorological Agency (JMA) has issued an urgent weather warning for Chiba Prefecture after persistent and intensifying rainfall triggered a series of lightning strikes across multiple cities in the region. As of Tuesday morning, thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rainfall have caused localized flooding, transportation disruptions, and a rise in power outage cases, prompting emergency response measures by local governments. Worsening conditions prompt public advisory. The JMA held an emergency press conference at 10 a.m., urging residents of Chiba and surrounding prefectures to remain indoors, avoid low-lying areas, and to exercise extreme caution due to the increased likelihood of lightning strikes, landslides, and flash flooding. Meteorological forecasters reported that a slow-moving rain band, combined with warm, moist air from the Pacific, has created unstable atmospheric conditions over the Kanto region. Chiba, located on the eastern edge of the Tokyo metropolitan area, has been particularly hard hit. The risk of severe thunderstorms and lightning-related accidents will persist through late tonight, warned JMA meteorologist Hiroshi Kamida. We urge all residents to avoid going outdoors unnecessarily and to monitor updates through official channels. Rainfall totals in affected areas. By midday, several municipalities in Chiba had recorded over 80 millimeters of rainfall per hour, with the cities of Kisarazu, Mobara, and Narita experiencing some of the most intense cloudbursts. According to JMA's radar data, more than 200 millimeters of cumulative rainfall is expected in some inland areas before conditions subside. As of 12:30 p.m., Kisarazu, 84 millimeters per hour recorded at 11:45 a.m. Mobara, 72 millimeters per hour at 11:10 a.m. Narita, flash flooding reported near major intersections. Ichihara, sporadic blackouts caused by downed power lines. The Boso Peninsula, known for its mountainous terrain and narrow roads, is on landslide alert, with multiple evacuation advisories issued in parts of southern Chiba, including Kamigawa and Tateyama. Transportation chaos, trains, highways affected. The rain and lightning have wreaked havoc on transport infrastructure across the prefecture. Rail services. The Junior Uchibo line and parts of the Kaisei line suspended operations due to waterlogged tracks and signal failures. Narita line reported delays of over 90 minutes after lightning struck an electrical substation near Sawara Station. Commuters were seen stranded at Chiba Station and Shin Narashino Station, with staff distributing emergency water bottles and setting up waiting areas. Road transport. Route 16 experienced significant delays due to a partial road collapse near Funabashi. A section of the Tateyama Expressway was temporarily closed after a lightning strike damaged a traffic monitoring camera. Public safety at risk, reports of injuries and power outages. The Chiba Prefectural Police confirmed at least 3 minor injuries due to lightning-related incidents. A 58-year-old delivery driver suffered burns after his vehicle was struck in Kisarazu. 2 pedestrians were treated for shock and minor injuries after being caught in a thunderstorm in Mobara. The Tokyo Electric Power Company (TEPCO) reported that over 10,000 households in the southern region of Chiba lost power between 10:30 a.m. and 12:15 p.m. due to lightning-damaged transformers. Restoration efforts are underway, with mobile crews deployed to priority areas. Meanwhile, several schools in affected zones either canceled classes or shifted to emergency protocols. Parents were asked to pick up children early, and some junior high schools in Tateyama moved students to reinforced gymnasiums until the storm subsided. Social media buzz and emergency alerts. As the weather worsened, #Chiba storm and #Leizuyibao lightning warning began trending on Japanese social media platforms. Residents shared dramatic videos of lightning bolts splitting trees in half, streets turning into rivers within minutes, heavy hail pelting down in pockets near Kimitsu. The Chiba Prefectural Government issued Level 3 evacuation advisories in 4 cities and Level 4 orders in flood-prone rural districts, using the National Disaster Appel Alert and municipal loudspeaker systems. What's causing the sudden surge in lightning? Experts attribute the unusual intensity of lightning activity to the increased vertical instability in the air, combined with elevated sea surface temperatures in the western Pacific. According to climatologist Drive Keiko Murakami from the University of Tokyo. This pattern is part of a growing trend of extreme weather events in Japan's rainy season. Global warming has caused higher evaporation rates, leading to heavier localized rain and stronger electrical discharges in the atmosphere. She warned that similar storms may become more frequent in late July and early August if the current heatwave continues. Precautions and JMA's advice to the public. The JMA and Chiba Disaster Management Division issued the following public safety recommendations. Avoid using smartphones or wired appliances outdoors during lightning storms. Do not take shelter under isolated trees, which attract lightning. Stay away from rivers, canals, and slopes, especially in rural zones. Use non-metallic umbrellas and wear rubber-soled shoes if movement outside is unavoidable. Keep flashlights, power banks, and emergency food kits ready in case of prolonged blackouts. Additionally, emergency shelters have been opened in Kimitsu, Futsu, and Minamiboso, especially for elderly residents and those with disabilities. Looking ahead, when will conditions improve? Meteorologists predict that the rain front will gradually